Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to reset your password in Docusign. If you have forgotten your login details or need to update your password for security reasons, this simple guide will help you regain access. Let's get started. On your Docusign dashboard, go to Admin. You will find Admin at the top of the page. This is a quick list. Once you are on the Admin page, look for Users. Under Users and Groups, you will see your users. Just click it. Now you can see your users. To reset the password, click Actions for the user, then select Reset Password. A password reset email will be sent to your email address. Go to your email inbox. Here, you will find the password reset request. You can now reset your password. Enter your new password. Make sure both password fields match. When you are done, you have successfully changed your password. This is how we reset a Docusign password. Keeping your account secure is important, and now we all know how to do it.